Srimatre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mugambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam. 6th October 2025, Puratashi Masam 20th, Monday, Vishwasnam Samvalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Varsharado, Puratashi Masam, that is Kanya Masam, Shukla Paksham, Tithi up to 11:48 a.m. Chaturdashi, then Paurnami, Monday, Saumya Vasaram, Nakshatram up to 6:15 a.m. Pururutadi, then Uttratadi. Today's Rahugalam 7 to 9 a.m. Yamagandam 10:30 to 12 noon. Gulyagalam 1:30 to 3 p.m. Good time 9 to 10:30 a.m. then 5 to 5:30 p.m. Sunrise at 6 a.m. Chandrashtam for Simharashi, Shulam East, Prayachittam Karta, Sadhatadi, Paurnami.
Lakshmi Prachodayad, Sri Varchasamayushyamarogyam, Avidam Shobhamanam Mahiyade, Dhanyam Dhanam Pashum Bhagaputra Labham, Sadasamvalsaram Dirkamayu.